Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to build this variable lab bench power supply. You can adjust the voltage and current, and the voltage goes up to 24 volt. I use this digital voltmeter to measure the voltage and current. So before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and click the like button. Let's get started. Here I make this enclosure by using 3D printing. So this is the body of this power supply. It has a space for digital voltmeter, a mini DC fan for cooling, and also an air vent. In back side there is a space for DC socket. I use this mini fan for cooling. Installing the fan with the help of screws. I use this digital voltammeter. Installing it in the front side. Now installing these sockets. I use these two potentiometer for adjusting the voltage and current. Then I use this 300 watt buck converter. Now you can see I soldered this potentiometer like this. A DC socket. Now solder two wires to negative and two wires to positive pin. Installing it on the back side. This is the circuit diagram. You can get it from the description. LM2596 buck converter. Here I am using this buck converter for converting 24 volt to 12 volt for this DC fan. Connect the fan to the out positive and negative and set to 12 volt for this buck converter. This is the in and out of this buck converter. Now connect all the wires according to the circuit diagram for better understanding. Now installing the potentiometer. and fix it with this nut. Now our whole power supply is ready. It looks great, right? This is the top part of this power supply. Here I am using this 24 volt 3 amp power adapter to power it up. As you can see, it works perfectly. You can adjust the voltage after 24 volt. And the fan is also working. Now measuring the voltage in the multimeter. It shows correct voltage. And it is also showing the current rating. Now test with a DC motor. Now you can see the motor works perfectly. Now test with this LED. After increasing the voltage, the LED glows perfectly. So hope you guys like this video. Comment down below. Please subscribe the channel and click the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends and stay tuned for our next upcoming project.